Okay, part 3, let's go. Right, so still busy with the basics, area, sine, and cos rule. We have another triangle, KLM. I have information here that angle K is 43 degrees. Let's fill that in. We have angle M is 50 degrees. Let's fill that in. And I have that small letter m, meaning the side opposite to angle M is 1. So this is 1 unit. I need to figure out this side, and that angle. The easiest to do would be angle L. So let's start with that. Angle L is equal to, what am I doing? I'm using sum of interior angles of a triangle. That's what would give me angle L. Okay, gives me right. Now we're going to figure out angle side K over here, and I'm going to figure out side L. Let's put an L over there and K over there. So I know using the sine rule once again. I'm rounding off to 2 decimal places. But remember, I told you guys, and I mentioned this in class as well, if it's a type of question, and I can't even remember if I must have mentioned it in the previous video, if we're busy with one particular question where there's no let me rephrase this. If we're busy with one particular question and we're using this to figure out something else, please don't round off on your calculator. Okay. However, if this was question 2.1 where it said calculate the side of K, and then 2.2 said calculate the side of something else, and you had to use your K, then you can use your rounded off answer. I cannot remember if I showed you guys how to store it in the previous video. I'm just going to remind you, in case I didn't, how to store it in your calculator. If needed, you press shift, you press this button that has the store, and then you store it to whichever alphabet you want to. I'm going to store it to A, and there we go, it's stored to A. I can't remember if I did this in the video or not. All right, then we need to figure out L. Okay, just so that I can show you guys how to use the cos rule and remind you how to use it, I am going to do that instead of the sine rule. Eating up my own words. Let's go. So I'm going to say this one here. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so M we know is 1. They gave that to us. K 0.89. But remember, it's on my calculator stored as A. Angle L we figured out as 87 degrees. And I'm going to plug this all onto my calculator. So remember, it was A. Okay. Please don't forget this here is L squared. We don't want L squared, we want L on its own. So square root of our answer. There we go. Get that L is and we are done. All right, figured out everything. Next one, let's go. It says triangle ABC. A is 32.7. B, okay, we don't know. C, 70,5. Oh, what's happening? 5. That's what I wanted to do. And the side opposite angle A, 52.3. That was not supposed to be a degree over there. 52.3. We need to figure out all the other unknowns. First things first, angle B, because it's sum of interior angles of a triangle. I know this is looking repetitive. I literally copied the very first question from the classroom mathematics, and this is what it had, where it was getting you to work through the basics and build on your skill. There we go. Typing it in on the calculator. Okay, wait, everyone doesn't have to see me type it in on the calculator. I am pretty sure you all know how to type this in on the calculator. Okay, just because I don't have space on this side, I'm just writing my reason underneath. Okay, putting it in. And let's figure out side B using this sine rule. Oh, by the way, this number on the calculator is not rounded off in any way. What did I do? I did B over sine B is equal to A over sine A. Alright, I'm not writing that step. I'm just going to do it on my calculator. This whole thing multiplied by that denominator. And that's what we get, B to B. Again, I'm going to store this on my calculator so we can use cos rule again. Let's do it to B this time. Oh, what happened there? Shift, store, B. I forgot to press the store button. That's what happened. 94.25. Right? I'm going to figure out C using cos rule. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos of the angle opposite to the one that we're working with, and it's the included one, okay? So angle C. Let's fill in. A we have as B minus 2 oh wow, there we go. We're going to type this in. Don't forget square root. I rounded off to 2 decimal places in this case. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to keep it separate. We're going to do a little more complex question, so I'm going to keep that one separate.